The role of Hadoop in hybrid cloud architectures in today's data-driven world. Businesses seek new ways to analyze vast amounts of data. Hadoop, a powerful open-source software, is key in hybrid cloud architecture. What is Hadoop, and how does it fit into hybrid cloud architectures? Hadoop is a distributed system for storage and processing. It is a low-cost way to handle huge datasets on cheap hardware clusters. It can scale from a single server to thousands of machines. Each machine offers local computation and storage. In hybrid cloud architectures, Hadoop can be integrated. The benefits of incorporating Hadoop in hybrid cloud environments. Scalability. Hadoop's distributed design allows for easy scaling. It is ideal for processing large data volumes in hybrid cloud environments. Data processing. Hadoop processes data efficiently. It helps organizations analyze their data and gain insights quickly. Data analytics. Hadoop enables advanced analytics on large datasets. It allows organizations to run complex analytical tasks. Hadoop integration in hybrid cloud environments. By using Hadoop in hybrid clouds, organizations can get the best of both worlds. They can enjoy the cloud's flexibility and on-premises control. It helps businesses optimize data management, boost security, and improve performance. Hadoop use cases in hybrid cloud environments. Cloud migration. Hadoop can move data and workloads to the cloud and back. It ensures data consistency and accessibility. Big data management. Hadoop helps manage big data in hybrid clouds. It provides tools to store, process, and analyze massive datasets. The future of Hadoop in hybrid cloud architectures. As businesses embrace data-driven decisions, Hadoop's role in hybrid clouds will grow. Hadoop can handle vast data, enable advanced analytics, and scale. Conclusion. In conclusion, Hadoop in hybrid clouds gives businesses a powerful tool. It enables efficient data management, processing, and analysis. Hadoop's distributed nature offers great benefits. It can help organizations manage and analyze data in today's fast-changing digital world.